Hi and welcome to the channel. I'm Rick Cutler and you've joined me on a beautiful day in Blackpool. We're at Northwest Honda Supercentre and I have a Transalp. I have a Transalp in Ross White. So far on the channel we've taken out the Ballistic Matte Black for a test ride. We've done the Iridium Grey as a walk around so you get a preview of the bike, and this one in Ross White we want to just have a look at some of the extras that you can get for the bike as well. So handily enough, they've got one for me that's just been dragged through the parts catalogue. So let's take a look around and see some of the extras that you can get for the bike as well. Alright, thanks for watching. So we're going to start at the front of the bike and notice that we've got engine bars. So the engine bar's a top end, so there's no actual engine bar across the actual engine. It's a top fairing bar more than anything. But it gives you enough protection on the bodywork. I'm just going to stop it going down. And attached to the engine bars, we've got the fog lights. So this will be the LED fog light system. And that'll be selectable off the menu on the computer. So you've got the function button on there. I'll be able to select those to put them on. Now, continuing at the front of the bike, we've got the Transalp radiator guard. And thankfully enough, this exhaust pipe's just gone that really nice purpley colour. I'm just going to get that in. It's not an extra, but it just looks good just to see it like that. So we've got the engine bars, the fog lights and the radiator guard up front. Coming around the bike and to the other side, this one has got the Quickshifter. So we've got a Quickshifter system set up on this bike. Lets you move up and down the gears without using the clutch. And I've found these systems to be really smooth of late. When Quickshifters first came out, I wasn't a massive fan of them and they always had an issue downshifting. But certainly these systems have really come on leaps and bounds, and this one, yeah, it's fantastic. And then just to top things off, underneath we have a centre stand as well. So we've got a centre stand for the Transalp. These are all available as optional extras, but it certainly makes a massive difference to the bike being able to opt for these things. And it is a very handsome bike once you actually get around it. Not that it was not before, but I do like a bike, I do like an adventure bike that's got engine bars. I think they look really smart. I like the fact that you've got the fog lights available on those as well. Little extra things I like, the detailing of the mountains that sort of matches the rest of the sort of scheme on the bike. So you've got that on the logo on the radiator guard. That's continued up here on the fairing, and again down the side here next to the engine spec. It says 750, but we know it's a 755. We'll not hold that against him. That's it. That's it for the optional extras. We'll just take a nice little walk around the bike as well, because it is a beautiful day. It'd be terribly rude not to utilise a beautiful day and just sort of highlight how good this bike looks in broad daylight, not in a showroom. Because it is rather handsome. Thanks for watching.